Oh, I'm glad I put deodorant on. Yellow. Welcome back to my channel. I know you're probably thinking, Nicole, you look terrible. And yes, I do. The reason why I look terrible is because I have not done anything to my face today. Oh, I feel my chin hairs. Yes, I have chin hairs. It's a real thing. My video today, as you can tell by the title, is I'm going to be doing a DIY glitter face mask. It's going to be fabulous. I'm just gonna get started. You are going to need 5 things, including your face. So really 4 things. And the first thing you're going to need is a clear peel-off mask. And I have this one from Freeman, Feeling Beautiful. Cucumber peel-off mask. Clarifies and renews skin. And yes, this one right here. I have 2 of these. I'm trying to get this one used up. But it is clear, and I will show you in a bit. The second thing, you're going to need a container or a bowl or something to put your mask in. Or I guess you could just like do it in your hand if you wanted to. It's nasty. Of course, you know, I got a container of like, it's either 8 or 10 of these, or a pack of 8 of 10 of these at, you guessed it, Dollar Tree. This one's nice because it has a little lid, and if you have some left over, you can just pop your lid on and have more to be glamorous the next time. The third thing you're going to need is glitter. Yes, glitter. You want to do a DIY glitter face mask, you gotta get some glitter. And this is the NYX glitter. This is the NYX Glitter Brilliance Face and Body. You want to make sure that it's cosmetic grade glitter, because if it's not, it could be sharp. Like if it's just normal glitter, like craft glitter, it could get into your eyes and cut your eyes and cut your face and all that kind of junk. You don't want that. Even though I look not the best, I don't want to look even worse with like a bulged out eye or whatever because of the glitter I chose to use. And this is in the shade Rose. You'll focus it now. I think it's still focused. I've been noticing that my videos haven't been focusing because I don't pay attention. I'm gonna open this up. Now that it's open, you might be able to see it better. No, probably not. And the fourth thing you're going to need is some kind of applicator or brush to put it on. I have this silicone applicator that it doesn't waste product, it doesn't absorb product, and it's super easy to clean. So this one's kind of dirty, but we're gonna ignore that. Okay, the first step you're gonna do is you're gonna take your container and you're gonna take this, your peel off clear mask. I guess you could do any other color if you wanted to and just add glitter to it, but I like the clear. You're gonna open it and you're gonna put some in your container like so. You don't need a whole lot unless you're trying to make a bunch in advance, and I like to switch it up every once in a while. This is what it looks like in the container. The next step is you're gonna take your glitter, you're gonna open it, it's still sealed. And this particular glitter has like a little thing on the top that has 3 little holes in it, and that's gonna really limit how much glitter you put in. So I'm gonna take this little plastic thingy off here. Maybe, I'll try. Oh. And there we go. And now I got it off, and look at all that beautiful glitter that I don't want to dump out everywhere. And you're gonna just start off with, you know, however much glitter you think. I'm gonna give it a nice generous dosing. That's what it looks like that. Oh, I got glitter on my table anyway. Then you're gonna take your brush and itch your face or your head, and you're gonna mix that all together. The glitter is gonna make it just a little bit thicker, but it's not gonna change the, it's gonna change the consistency of your mask, but it's not gonna change the outcome of it. It's still gonna peel off, it's not gonna stain your skin, all that good stuff. Mixy. And once I'm done with that, this is what it looks like. It's all incorporated. And the next step is just to put it on your face. I'm gonna take my mirror. I'm just gonna use this big one here so I can like look down. You're gonna take your mix it together. You can add more glitter if you want to. I think this is probably good. And you're gonna take your little brush or whatever, your fingers or whatever, and get some on there, and you're gonna start applying it to your face. Here we go. You wanna make sure all your hair's out of the way first. Yes, this is nasty. I know, I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. It's only. Now I'm going to actually apply it. Ooh, it's cold. When you're applying it under your eyes, you don't want to get it too close to your eyes because it could get into your eyes, and when you pull it off from like underneath, it's going to be a little painful. So you want to like kind of set your limit. That's probably even too far up, but I'm just a sucker for pain. Don't put it in your eyebrows.
Don't do it.
in my hair. Oh well, I guess I need to shower anyway. Okay, now I'm done. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit so you can maybe get some of the sparkly effect of what's on my face, because from what I can see right now, it's just a big grease ball. Okay, if I move like this, can you even see the glitter? I can see it really well in my light. To me, in my camera, it looks just like a wash of color. It doesn't look sparkly, but my eyesight isn't the best. We are going to read the instructions on the back of this to see how long it's supposed to sit. Leave on 5 to 10 minutes or until dry. Gently peel off mask from outer edges. Rinse with warm water. Usually on my face, masks take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes to dry. So it's gonna take a while, especially since I have a big chunk right here. You want to make sure, if you notice that you have a really big chunky spot on here, that you smooth it out, because that's going to take longer to dry. The last place on my face to dry is like right in the hollows of my cheeks here. And then you sit and wait, and then we'll peel it off. Go find something to do for like however long it takes to dry, and yeah, I'll see you when I'm dry. That sounded bad. Quick check-in, you guys. It's been 30 minutes and I can't really move my face very well because it's mostly dry, but I can still tell that over here it's still a little wet, and up here, but I got it really thick up here. I don't think it's super thick right here, but for some reason on my face, this is the last part to dry. I don't know why, but yes, I will be back in hopefully soon. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, it's starting to come up here, but that's, to be fair, that's because I've been eating some foods because I'm making dinner. And I look like I have no expression in my face because it's really hard to move. It's been another like 10-15 minutes and this still isn't completely dry. But I'm impatient and I'm gonna get rid of this. This is gonna be really painful for me because I am due for a good wax everywhere. I can't even like laugh. It says start from the outside, but I'm gonna like try and like move my face around to loosen it up a little bit, like that. New challenge: how to take a face mask off without using your hands. Just move your face around. Oh, now I got it in my mouth. That's great. I'm just gonna use my hands. You know what? That actually does not hurt at all, so I lied. Oh, look at that. All in one go. Except for like the little bits around my face. Oh, I can finally move my face. So this is my mask. Put back on. You could save this if you wanted to, but I'm not going to. I am going to first feel my face. I think I have glitter in my teeth. I mean, I was kind of hoping that it was gonna hurt a little bit because then it would do like half of my waxing for me, but I guess not today. My face feels nice and smooth now. Feels good. It feels refreshed. It feels clean. It feels really good. I do have glitter left over, but that's because I haven't washed off my face yet. I think I'm gonna go do that. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment. What color would you do? You could take a pearlescent eyeshadow, like a really loose pigment eyeshadow, and you could mix that in there, and then you could get something like I think it's the Glam Glow. I'm not sure what it is. And you can make it like iridescent looking. I've done that before. I don't recommend putting food coloring in there because I don't know if that's gonna stain your face or not. There you have it. I look a little less nasty because I feel cleaners, therefore I feel a little less nasty. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'm gonna go now. So, bye.